It's the holiday season, and often we eat things that normally we wouldn't otherwise even see. So, what if you didn't have to make yourself bad or wrong for eating that stuff? I was with a client today, and she said, "Oh, I was eating this sugar and this and that." And I was like, "Okay, and it's over, right?" So from this point right now, you can make a choice every time you eat. Body, what would you like to eat now? And just see what shows up. And you don't have to make yourself or stick yourself for anything that you've eaten ever before. Because now you're in a different place than you ever have been. Have a great time eating!